What is going on, everybody? Welcome to Into My GT Entertainment, and I am Joel. Welcome to another episode of Project 6 Stang. We are doing a quick and probably really quick install of what is in this box. So I'm going to show you what is in there and just tell you why I got it and do the quick install and then go on about your way. So we'll see you 1 minute. Let me get this out of here. All right, everyone, what we have in store for today is, can you see that? It is a Strut tower brace. Don't look at the belly, but the Strut tower brace. Let me flip this around so you can get a better view. Yeah, so we're going ahead and installing this real quick. It's a real simple install, 8 bolts and a couple washers, and it's on there. Like I said, I just wanted to add a little flavor for the motor a little bit, and I just wanted you to see what I have going on. And these are the simple instructions. Those are pretty much it. Hold on real fast. I just wanted to stiffen up the front end a little bit. It really doesn't do that much of a difference on it. It helps, but it doesn't do, it's not going to make your car rock solid. It's more for me of an appearance thing, and that's why I went with the black versus a chrome or a Boss 3021 that would fit across there. It's just a different little style, and yeah, I just did it because I think it's gonna look pretty good. So you be the judge of that at the end. So let me go ahead and pop this hood, and remember what I installed the other day comes into play now, right? All right, we'll see you in a minute. All right, my friends, this is going to be the quick install. I'll get into it here in 1 second, but you need to take away these 4 bolts here, those 4 bolts over there, lay it where you need it, tighten it back up. Not too hard, is it? So we'll go ahead and get that put in real fast. Do you really want to see the install? Come on. So let me show you what the end product's going to look like, and we'll get into it in 1 second. Just a quick note, that is all you're going to need is a 13mm socket or open face wrench or ratcheting wrench. I'm going to use that because it's going to make it quicker. So let me get started. All right, this is before I tighten it down. Just want to make sure you line it up the way you need to. And now you want to tighten it corner to corner so that way it seeds evenly. And you don't go all the way down and crank it right off the bat. So go ahead and get these done for you, and we'll get to the end. All right, everyone, this is the end product. This is an SR Performance Strut Tower Brace. Like I said, it's decent for what it is. Looks good under the car. And like I said, a lot of people take that little name right there, that little plate, and design their own. They put a pony or whatever. So it's customizable to what you want, and that's what it looks like. Be right back. All right, everyone. Well, that is the end of the video for today. It was a quick little something or another, and like I said, I got little pieces. Some will be a little longer to do, and some for others. Just to let you know, I have the RTR deck lid for this, so that's going to be one of the installs I do later on. And yeah, I got that in the works. And then I got a new front end, not a front end, excuse me, a new grill set, top and bottom. You want to guess what it is? Anyway, that's for another video. Come back again. I hope y'all are doing well, and it's Friday. Enjoy it. Peace.